This is a really critical time to make sure that that emergency rent assistance gets to the people who need it most, but it's an opportunity to think about some of the policies that would help folks be able to get back into stable housing.
The federal stimulus package will also include billions of dollars for rental assistance and extend the CDC's eviction moratorium for another month. And that is good news for Hoosiers since the state's rental assistance already ran out. Housing advocates have been sounding the alarm about evictions statewide.
CBS 4's Joe Glavin talked to some of them about their concerns for 2021.
Yeah, we're still getting a lot of calls.
9 months into the pandemic, there are Hoosiers still struggling to make ends meet. And Chase Holler and his team at the Neighborhood Christian Legal Clinic see the reality for those who can't pay their rent.
We've had the rental assistance programs come and go and come back again and now terminate again or run out of funding. I can't magically come up with money for my client to catch up on their rent.
Under the CDC's federal eviction moratorium, clients can bring this form to court to try to stop an eviction. But Holler has seen cases where it doesn't help.
You're really at the mercy of that small claims judge interpreting the CDC order.
And we've heard cases where tenants are evicted and they didn't even know that they could invoke that until they're already out on the street.
Prosperity Indiana Policy Director Andrew Bradley and other housing advocates plan to lobby state lawmakers next month for new policies and greater assistance for renters across Indiana.
What we're encouraging the governor to do is to appoint a housing stability roundtable that would include landlords and residents and public health experts.
Bradley hopes new federal money for rental assistance will help, but with the timeline for that assistance unclear, there will be families facing eviction. And there's a possible showdown at the State House over a landlord-tenant bill Governor Eric Holcomb vetoed in March. All that could add up to a long winter for Indiana renters and those like Holler going to court on their behalf.
I think we have to remain hopeful and try everything we can to try and keep people housed.
In Indianapolis, Jill Glavin, CBS 4 News.